Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how we can turn our PC or laptop into a Google TV. All previous methods are more or less useless because they only have 4 GB data partition size. But today I will show you a new method. In this method you will be able to make up to 120 GB data partition, which will exactly work like real Google TV. So let's jump into the process. I will leave the links in the description. At first, download the Google TV and data partition size. As you can see, it's from a media file. You need to download the file and you need to extract the files. After extracting, it will look like this, the ISO file and the data partitions. After that, if you have 64 GB pen drive, choose 32 GB data. If you have 32 GB pen drive, choose 16 GB data. All data sizes are available here. You can choose according to your need. For now, just extract the data, as I have extracted the 16 GB data as I am using the 64 GB pen drive from Ada. Now from the second link, download Rufus. After downloading Rufus, and you need to choose your pen drive from here, and you need to choose the ISO file we have downloaded earlier. Let me choose this one, and for this option you need to increase as much as possible. Keep a note, you need to do it. Leave everything as default and click on start. We need to wait a little bit because it's a lengthy process. As you can see, the file transfer is completed. So this partition is containing two files, data.img and system.sfs. Now the pen drive is ready to boot. Let's boot into the system and see it's working or not. As you can see, the system booted up. Let's complete the setup. Okay, the homepage seems very smooth. Let's download MX Player from Play Store and let's see if it's get downloaded or not. Yeah, it's still pending. Let's see. Yeah, it started downloading. Let's open it. Yeah, it seems working. So that's all. So in this video, we learned how we can turn our PC or laptop into a Google TV. You can try this in your device, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comments. I will be happy to answer. You can subscribe my channel to get methods like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.